So I was walking through the drugstore and I found this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's so pretty and so bold. It literally goes on so beautiful, and it was only $5. So of course I'm gonna do a cake lip. It's brown. It's called Hennessy. It's a liquid matte. So let's see how it looks. And with liquid matte, especially if you don't use a lip liner, I try to line my lips with the actual color, because once it's on there, it's on there. So you need to make sure you line it really good. Cool thing about cakes, liquid mattes, they don't move, they don't rub off at all. Like, I want you guys to see how hard I'm pressing, wiping, nothing. I always look because it amazes me that it doesn't rub off. When I say kiss proof, I mean it.